Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize Microsoft PowerPoint for presentations, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening Microsoft PowerPoint and selecting a blank presentation or a template that suits your theme. Familiarize yourself with the PowerPoint interface, including the ribbon, slide pane, and notes section. Start by planning your content and layout for each slide to ensure a coherent flow. Keep your slide design simple and uncluttered to maintain audience focus. Use high-quality images and graphics to enhance visual engagement, ensuring they relate to your content. Choose a consistent font style and size throughout your presentation for a professional appearance. Limit the amount of text on each slide to concise bullet points or short statements. Incorporate charts and graphs to illustrate data effectively, making complex information easy to understand. Utilize transitions and animations sparingly to maintain a smooth presentation flow. Rehearse your presentation by using the slideshow feature to practice your timing and delivery. Adjust your slides based on your rehearsal, focusing on clarity and emphasis of key points. Ensure that your color scheme is accessible, contrasting well for visibility. Check the alignment and spacing of objects on each slide for a polished look. Use Slide Master features to apply consistent formatting across all slides. Finally, save your presentation in multiple formats, like .pptx and .pdf, to ensure compatibility. Review your presentation multiple times before delivery to catch any errors or inconsistencies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.